First visit to this project, and it's got kind of an interesting approach. It's an ADU, it's an accessory dwelling unit, and it's in the backyard of the main house. If you're familiar with Unity's platforms, you might think this is a Nano, but it's actually based on the Zoom platform. Kind of the essence of Zoom, the Zoom in a condensed format, a Zumette. We'll see if we can find Beth Campbell, the project manager, and I think the owners are here as well. Obviously they're doing some landscaping, looks like a patio. What a lovely little house. And you can see the relationship of this accessory dwelling unit to the main house on the property. Increasingly we're seeing Nanos in particular being used as ADUs, but this Zoom looks like it's going to work out just fine in that capacity. All right, here I am inside this little Zoom, the Zumette, as we've been calling it, the ADU on this property in Mystic. So here's just a quick view of the inside, this part of it, the open living area, the vaulted ceilings with the natural wood, and then spinning around here to this compact little kitchen. There's Ellen, the happy homeowner. And I think that's going to be it for this section of it. There's a bathroom and a utility room, a closet, and a bedroom on the other side of this Zoom, but we'll keep it to this for now. And again, maybe we'll have some more pictures of this house later on to be able to share with you on the website and on social media and the newsletter. Beth Campbell and I just met with the homeowners, had a good meeting with them, and Beth has been the project manager on this project. And since we're here, Beth, anything that was particularly memorable or any highlights about this project?
This has been such a great project, and I love the square footage of this. It's about 780 square feet, which meets the accessory dwelling unit requirement. And it has just been such a fun project to design with the homeowners as their retirement home, and thinking through all of the details on this one. I think a memorable piece of this is just how well the tempo package worked out, where the homeowners were able to work with our team to select finishes, and then having those delivered on site, I think took a lot of the burden off of the homeowners having to do a lot of that design work themselves. So it ended up just being a gorgeous project with a lot of great finishes, and we were able to bring the project home pretty easily.
Yeah, it's interesting to me how each house ends up sort of reflecting the personality and experiences of the homeowners, and with Ellen being a graphic designer and bringing her artistic eye to a lot of those decisions. This place looks great.
Yeah.
Well, thank you for all your good work on the project.
Yeah, absolutely. It's been great.
All right, thanks.